Understanding the phrase, like flies to dung. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a rather colorful expression, like flies to dung. This phrase might sound a bit odd at first, but it's packed with meaning and is a great example of the richness of the English language. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and some examples to help you understand it completely. Stay tuned. The phrase, like flies to dung, is used to describe a situation where people are attracted to something that is not beneficial or is actually harmful or disgraceful, much like flies are attracted to dung. It emphasizes a natural, inevitable attraction to something undesirable. This expression is often used to highlight the less appealing aspects of human nature or to criticize the object of attraction. While the exact origins of like flies to dung are not clearly documented, it's rooted in the observational nature of idioms that draw comparisons from everyday life. This phrase has been used in various forms of literature and speech to convey disdain or to criticize the allure of something deemed unworthy or morally questionable. In modern usage, it's not just limited to negative contexts. It can also be used in a light-hearted, humorous way to describe people flocking to something popular yet not necessarily of high quality, such as sensational news stories or trendy, yet unwise, investments. Criticizing behavior. As soon as the scandal was published, people were drawn like flies to dung, reveling in the details. Observing trends. Whenever a new, hyped-up product releases, consumers rush like flies to dung, even if the product doesn't live up to its promises. Reflecting on human nature, it's fascinating how secrets and gossip attract attention like flies to dung. It says a lot about human curiosity. Understanding and using idioms like flies to dung can add flavor to your English. Here's how to use it. To express criticism or disapproval of people's attraction to negative things. As a metaphor in storytelling, to illustrate characters or situations that are unwisely enticing. In discussions about societal trends, behaviors, or events that draw widespread, often questionable interest. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, like flies to dung. We hope you found this video insightful and that it adds an interesting expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is a window into culture and human nature, and idioms like these make learning English not just educational but also incredibly fascinating. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!